My name's Matt. I make the Where the Hell is Matt dancing videos where I travel around the world, dancing badly everywhere I go. I started doing this about 9 years ago, dancing on a street corner in Hanoi. It was just a way to create a memento from each place that I went to. And it's just gotten bigger and bigger. It's become less and less about me and more about just showing all sorts of different people coming together.
Google Maps is everything we could want in a research tool. We use Street View a lot, we use Panoramio a lot. In Rome, we picked Piazza del Popolo. We created a My Map with a marker showing where to meet, and then we invited a whole bunch of people to dance with me. The big challenge is once we've picked these locations, I've got to get myself to each spot and make sure I'm in the right place at the right time. Google Maps just makes it all easy. I don't have to worry about getting lost. I'll open up My Maps, find the marker for the spot where I'm going to be dancing, and if I'm walking or taking the subway, whatever it is, it'll show me the best way to get to that spot. Sometimes you're in a place where you don't even have a data connection. So with offline maps, you save the map on your phone so that you can still use the map and get around. You couldn't do what I do 10 years ago. The world has really opened up in so many ways, and technology like Google Maps is what makes that possible. The most challenging thing about travel is making the decision to do it. I've never had anybody tell me they regret seeing the world.